Hi guys, it's Joe here from Belper Town Vlog, and I'll be shortly leaving to Belper Town's latest away fixture away at Pontefract Collieries. Pontefract, it's going to be a tough game. Pontefract, like Brighouse, near the top of the table, and they've also got a proven goal scorer in Eli, a bit like Aaron Martin wants for Brighouse. I think that for me is what's the top teams in the league have got. Like, they've got that quality goal scorer, so we need to be able to keep tabs on him and hopefully get some quality goals of our own going in. Well, lost 3-1 home to Brighouse last week. Brighouse were the better side. I think even the manager, Grant Black, admitted that. So he's coming to this week with a fresh mindset, fresh mentality. Going to Pontefract, we know it's a tough game, and hopefully we can go and get a positive result. And yeah, and as always, drop a like if you enjoy it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in Pontefract.
Yay! Come on! Well done, Nelly. Get up. Get up. Oh. Go on. Oh, skin him. Keep going. Well done.
Oh, great knock.
Well, Nelly. Hey! Go on then. Yes! Come on.
Peter!
Cruising. Well done, Belper. Solid half 2-0. Hopefully we can see it out. If we do. Oh man, clear it. Let him shoot. Come on, push out. He's got that front post, that's it. 2-1. Game on again. That's 2-2. In a matter of seconds, the 2-0 lead. Come on. Just straight from the kick-off almost. Got the ball up and he scored. Come on then.
One! Well, first time.
Yeah! Oh! 2-2. Well, there you go. What a turnaround. He's off. Get yourself the penalty to Pontefract. There we go. Game over. 4-2. Full time, 4-2.
So there we are, full-time Pontefract 4, Belper 2. Belper's 2-0 half-time lead evaporated into the second half. I just feel like, yeah, Pontefract were kicking down wind. The weather and the wind didn't really help. But I think the first goal went in, their number 10 got across the front post, and it was an easy finish, to be fair. But I just think that rattled us, because we get literally from the kickoff, we gave the ball away, passed it straight to their guy. He oofs it up, and I didn't get this goal on camera, but then they scored. So it was literally straight away. And then the third goal was Isaac headed the ball back out for a corner, which I'm not, and then they scored. So it was a conceding from set pieces, disappointed though, and that was it really. That was it. That was the fourth goal from penalty in the 90th minute. Just sealed it. But it's disappointing. I think it rattled them. I do think that. But Pontefract, they were fair play to them. They did come back well, and they did put a good performance in. And yeah, it's a learning curve, and we've got to learn from it, learn from the mistakes. Come back Frickley Athletic home next Saturday. Another tough fixture. Yeah, we've got to learn from this mistake. Got to put it behind us. We knew it would be a tough game going into it. I said that in the prologue before the game, as it were, and it was a tough game. 2-0 up at half time, and it still was tough in the second half, and we will learn from it. And yeah, I think Danny South comes back from suspension, not next game, but the game after. That will help. I think we have missed in the last couple of games his aggression and his his leadership at the back. So yeah, I think yeah, and that is it for me. But as ever, give it a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new, and my name's Joe from Belper Vlogs, and I'll talk to you in a while.